Today, let's take a look at our sales champion, Toyota Hilux. It's one of the most popular cars in Australia. It's said to be able to carry people and cargo without compromise. It can roam on the highways and handle various mountain and off-road terrains effortlessly. From Monday to Friday, it's your workhorse. But come the weekend, it can take you mountain climbing, off-roading, hunting and fishing. A solid warrior. However, the interior control of this car still maintains Toyota's old-school style, simple and practical. Today, let's add a touch of technology to it. Let's take a look together.
A few moments later.
Let's check out our results. Wireless Apple Carplay. Smooth as silk. Search for an address. Bondi Beach. Steering wheel control. Totally supported. Original car reverse camera. Supported. Google Maps, Apple Maps. It also supports with Spotify, YouTube Music. It supports all the mainstream ones.